Hi, welcome back to the Pasolivo Kitchen Cuisine. Today is our third episode and we're going to be making a Blackberry Pesto Pizza. This one's actually a really good weeknight dish, especially if you can make the pesto ahead of time and freeze it. It lasts for a good while in there. Alright, so we are using store-bought dough in this recipe, and the directions vary from brand to brand, so keep that in mind when you're making this. Do whatever the package says.